In marketing, which AI agent do you think is the best? What do have we seen in the
So
past
marketing is
few
very
weeks?
broad in terms of like what in terms of marketing, like content writing.
Let's say content marketing. I know Jasper. I know. I think Right Sonic is the name.
Yes. So there are many,
Sales
many
also we can.
tools in these segments.
So let's
Probably we
say
can,
if
yeah.
I want to, if I have a big marketing team versus if I have Jasper, like what is the delta and what is the savings I can do and how many people would I need in my
If you
team?
have a team of like, I would say if you
Let's
have a
say
team
10
of
people
10, if you have a team of 10 content writers working for you,
plus
maybe you are in
SEO.
the content
Content plus
business,
SEO,
right?
yes.
Content plus SEO. For example, let's say two
Mm,
SEO and eight content writers, right?
yes.
We can also
And if you
present on the
use
screen what Jasper is. Yeah.
and if you use a tool like Jasper or maybe any other tool, right? I think you can reduce your team size by at least 80%. You still need some human element because it's still not very 100% all the content. But yes, so you can reduce the team by 80%. That's my overview.
So I would need, let's say, one SEO guy and two content writers
Yes, exactly.
to just recheck the content, right? To fact check it.
Recheck the content, maybe repurpose something, maybe fact check it, all of that. Because AIs can
Hmm.
hallucinate, right? There are tools that have built plugins or integrations with Google search
Hmm.
or maybe other stuff, but the information that is available on the internet can also be wrong in many ways.
Yes.
So, so the fact checking needs to be done at the end by humans until and unless you have something that you can just totally 100% rely on for fact checking automatically.